Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware. Charge the keyboard or install batteries and power it on. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your Mac from System Settings so the radio is active. Put the keyboard into pairing mode now, typically a long press on a pairing button or a power-to-pair toggle. Make sure you're within a few feet of the Mac and remove other active Bluetooth connections to reduce interference. These steps get the Mac and keyboard ready to discover and exchange pairing signals. You'll see the keyboard name appear in Bluetooth settings. Click it to initiate pairing. If a PIN or code displays, type it on the keyboard and press Enter to confirm. This authenticates the link. Once paired, go to System Settings keyboard to choose Layout, Modifier Key Behavior, and Key Repeat Rate so typing feels natural. If you use multiple languages, add input sources and test special characters. Make sure macOS shows the device as connected before moving to app-specific shortcuts or function key mappings. Finish by testing the keyboard across a few apps, text editor, browser, and a terminal to confirm special keys work. If keys miss or the device disconnects, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reboot the Mac. If that fails, remove the keyboard from Bluetooth devices and repair it. Make sure keyboard firmware and macOS are up to date to avoid compatibility issues. As a final tip, reset the keyboard per its manual if pairing repeatedly fails. That often clears stale states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.